Hey guys, let's see how to view a EuFy camera via web browser using a PC or Mac, it doesn't matter. So the idea is just use the web portal. I have the link here in the description so you can access this web portal. But first you also need to have your EuFy app working because you need a code from here. You need to enable web portal access, right? I'm gonna show you how it works, but basically when you come here to the portal, you just insert here your location, email, and password. Then you hit login and log into your account. And you see here, there's a reminder that you need to insert a saved PIN, right? Then you need to come to your cell phone, to your app. And here in the main screen, just go here close to your name, right? There's an icon here. And then you're gonna look for settings. Just right here, let me just show you better. There we go. I have here settings and security. And here you're gonna find web portal access. There we go, just need to enable here. And there's 1 hour, 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours, right? That's to make your system secure. You need to enable here for some hours. And let me just generate a PIN for 1 hour. And now I have it, right? So here I just need to type. There we go, I just confirm. Now it's trying to connect to my system so I can see my camera, and there we go. Now I have access to my camera, it's live and it's working, right? Then I can do whatever I want here, but basically now I have access to my EuFy camera using the web portal via web browser, right? So just leave your comments here if that worked for you or if you are having some issues, okay? And also subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.